Achieving financial prosperity and financial stability requires cultivating positive money habits. Unfortunately, there are certain detrimental habits that can keep you in a perpetual cycle of poverty. Let me share with you 8 money habits that, if not addressed, can hinder your financial progress and keep you trapped in a state of endless financial struggle. I will show you how to overcome these habits so you can pave the way to a brighter financial future. Consistent work discipline is crucial for achieving financial stability. Lack of discipline leads to a lack of consistency, which can affect your performance at work, hinder your professional growth, and limit opportunities for advancement or increased income. To cultivate work discipline, you must set clear goals and deadlines for your tasks. You must prioritize your responsibilities and eliminate distractions. Develop a consistent routine that includes breaks for rest and rejuvenation. By embracing a proactive and positive mindset towards your work, you will increase your productivity and enhance your professional reputation. One of the most significant factors contributing to your long-term financial struggles is a lack of spending discipline. Without a clear budget or self-imposed financial boundaries, it becomes easy to overspend on non-essentials and indulge in impulsive purchases. Failing to control your spending habits drain your financial resources and inhibits your ability to save and invest for the future. To overcome your lack of spending discipline, start by creating a realistic budget that outlines your income and expenses. Set clear financial goals and prioritize essential expenses while cutting back on unnecessary purchases. Practice delayed gratification by implementing a 24-hour rule before making non-essential purchases. Additionally, you should consider adopting cash-based spending or using budgeting apps to track your expenses and hold yourself accountable. Financial prosperity often depends on your earning power. If you fail to invest in yourself through education, skills development, or seeking better employment opportunities, you may remain stuck in low-paying jobs that provide little room for growth. To enhance your earning power, invest in continuous education and skill development. Identify areas of interest or expertise that align with high-demand industries and pursue additional training or certification. Network with professionals in your fields and explore opportunities for career advancement or higher-paying jobs. Consider diversifying your income through side hustles or freelancing to supplement your primary income. Relying exclusively on trading time for money limits your earning potential and financial growth. Said another way, if you depend solely on a fixed salary or hourly wage, there is a cap on your income potential. To overcome the limits of relying solely on trading time for money, explore additional income streams. Consider investing in stocks, real estate, or other investment vehicles that generate passive income. Explore entrepreneurship opportunities that leverage your skills and interests. Develop a side business or freelancing gig that allows you to monetize your hobbies or expertise. By diversifying your income sources, you will build financial security and increase your potential for wealth creation. Without a solid understanding of financial concepts, strategies, and tools, it becomes challenging to make informed decisions about money. Lack of financial literacy leaves you vulnerable to scams, poor investments, and excessive debt. To overcome your lack of financial literacy, dedicate time to educate yourself about personal finance. Read books, attend workshops or seminars, and utilize online resources to understand basic financial concepts such as budgeting, investing, and debt management. Seek guidance from financial professionals or consider working with a financial advisor to gain personalized insights and advice. By increasing your financial knowledge, you can make informed decisions and take control of your financial future. Failing to prioritize savings and investments is a habit that can keep you in a perpetual state of financial struggle. If you consistently neglect to set aside a portion of your income for savings or investing, you are limiting your ability to accumulate wealth and build financial security. Make paying yourself first a habit by automating your savings and investment contributions. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck to a separate savings account or investment vehicle. Treat savings and investing as non-negotiable expenses. Aim to save a specific percentage of your income and gradually increase it as your financial situation improves. And prioritize building an emergency fund and long-term savings to secure your financial future. Indulging in impulsive purchasing is a habit that can drain your financial resources and hinder your progress towards financial stability. The allure of instant gratification can lead to unnecessary spending and debt accumulation. To overcome impulse buying, practice mindfulness and self-awareness. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your long-term financial goals and if it is a true necessity. Implement a waiting period such as 24 hours or a week before making non-essential purchases. Create a list of your financial goals and refer to it when tempted to indulge in impulsive spending, and surround yourself with like-minded people who support your financial aspirations and encourage responsible spending habits. Surrounding yourself with individuals who have poor money habits can perpetuate your own financial struggles. If your social circle encourages excessive spending, living beyond means, or neglecting financial responsibility, it becomes challenging to break free from those patterns. To break free from the influence of broke people, seek out positive financial influences. Surround yourself with people who demonstrate healthy money habits and share similar financial goals. Join financial communities, attend networking events, or engage in online forums where you can connect with like-minded individuals. And limit your exposure to negative influences by politely declining invitations or finding alternative activities that align with your financial goals. Breaking free from poor money habits is essential for achieving long-term financial stability and prosperity. By cultivating spending discipline, enhancing earning power, fostering work discipline, gaining financial literacy, paying yourself first, avoiding impulse buying, seeking positive influences, and diversifying income, you can overcome these habits and set yourself on the path to financial success. With dedication and perseverance, you can build a strong financial foundation and secure a brighter future. If you appreciate what I do, the best way to support me is to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. This gets my videos out to a wider audience. My goal is to help as many people as possible get the most out of their money. That's all for now, and as always, see you next time.